How to register Oyster card online transport for London. So first of all, go ahead and search for register Oyster card. You can also press online. So once you do that, you'll have to go to the first link that pops up. Now you'll have to first of all create an account before you've not done it. Then if you have not don't have an account, you simply have to go ahead and create an account. So once you create an account, you'll have to enter your email address and it will send a code. So once you enter that code, you'll look something like this. Now you'll have to enter your title, like your Mr. and then your first name, your last name, your contact number. Those are optional. Yeah. So let's put Hades and last name Hades, and you can simply see press on next. So once you do that, it will redirect towards. Now you can simply see here you'll have to create an account again. So once you do fill up the forms, now follow the prompts it says. After you simply fill up your details, and then it will require for your required your verification like license or your citizenship or your passports or different other documents, and then you can simply apply for or register for the Oyster card online, and you can simply like deposit money in that card as well. So hopefully this video helps. Thank you.